Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing my April plan with me for like the monthly spread, and it is March 23rd right now, so I'm planning a little bit ahead of time, but if I feel like I don't get everything put down that I need to get put down, I'll stop the video, add more clips later, and then upload it after the fact. So if like my nails change or anything like that, it's because I filmed on different days, but I'll probably tell you that anyways. Anyways, we're going to use this kit from the Lockhart Co. She had like a mystery bundle box thing, and it came with all sorts of stuff. I'll link that unboxing video up here, but it came with a monthly kit, a weekly kit, some extra deco die cuts, this journaling card, all sorts of things. So you'll see some of that later also. But for now, I'm going to be using the monthly kit and then probably this countdown, which I'll have to probably go back and fill in part of March with also, because 2 weeks starts, actually, I think today. So today until the end of the month, and then I'll have just these couple at the beginning of the month. I have foiled countdowns for birthdays from Rose Colored Days that I use like on my weekly spreads because they take up a lot less room. So I was going to use these on the monthly. And then this is the kit. So you have the sidebar or the top bar things. It says birthday month, and it has this like gold glitter, the pink, the gold. It's so pretty. We have vacation strips, a flag, and the date numbers. We have a set of stackable sidebar type things, sidebar headers like half boxes and quarter boxes. And then you have bill dues and appointments. We have payday and other flags, icons, and then 6 like full box type things. And you don't get holidays, because obviously this is a birthday kit, so she doesn't know what month you're going to use it for. But I really only need to mark Easter, maybe Earth Day, so that's not really a big deal to me. April Fool's Day, whatever. So I can always pull in other stickers or just use a half box or quarter box or whatever. So not a big deal to me. So I am going to start with the top sections, I think, except for there's no lines and that's such a struggle for me. So I think I'll start on this side and pray that I can put this down correctly. So I'm going to layer it over the purple that's right here, and then hopefully just be straight from there on. I hope. You can see through it a smidgen, but I think I'm not really going to worry about it. And then I do have this like happy birthday box, and my birthday's right up here on the 6th, so I'm just going to stick this on right away. I'm a little crooked because that didn't quite cover. My mom's birthday's on the 5th, so I might use one of these other boxes. I think I'm going to use this one that I can write in so that it's not quite as bad. Like, it's not quite so full, because then I'd have to layer like a box over whatever I would be writing on. And I don't want to do that. So yeah. Okay. There is a flag up here. Was there a flag on the other side? I'm going to just wipe this out, I think, because I don't really want that showing. I mean, sometimes you just have to go for it, right? I think I did okay. Hopefully not too crooked. Let's see. We have 4 more boxes, and there's 5 at the bottom that need to be whited out. So I probably shouldn't have used that one there, but I can always use washi. Okay, so I think I'm going to put this one here. And then the flower. And then I might put this one over closest to the sidebar. And I think I might do this one here. And then I can maybe use like Simply Gilded Washi or something in this middle, or I can maybe stack up. I don't know if I'll have enough if I stack that up, but maybe. Okay. We have the sidebar stackable things. I'm not sure it really matters which order I go in. So I think I'm just gonna start. That's really crooked. Okay, hopefully that will not be a factor once I get to the bottom. I tried to like straighten it out here. I don't feel like it's going very straight though. Okay, I moved it down just a smidgen right here, so it's going off the page just a touch. So I will just trim that up real quick. Literally that much. So no big deal. Okay. Then we have a payday sticker. And that will be on the 30th. Cover up that moon phase. Let's see. My aunt's birthday is on the 9th. So I think I'll use this cake box. And then we have Easter. I think I'm just gonna take maybe this fresh like spring green. So I've got my mom's birthday, my aunt's birthday. My anniversary is on the 13th. I think I'm going to take this like champagne mimosa kind of box. This is our 11-month anniversary. I did payday. I have a board meeting on the 16th. So I think I'll use maybe this plain one. Because that's not exciting at all. Let's see if there's some icon like a clock or something. I don't see anything related to like a clock or anything. So maybe I won't do that right now. Let's see. We have the SAT is on the 10th. So think I'll use one of these bigger ones. And that is for all of my juniors will be taking the SAT. Sophomores will be taking PSAT, and the freshmen will be taking PSAT, and then my seniors will have off that day. And then the 12th, I think it's the 12th that I will be doing testing for all of my other kids for our state assessment in science, because I'm the science teacher. So I'm going to put a box that day. Oh, I forgot I have headers for the sidebar. So we have this month finance goals, remember priorities, to do work errands next month. So I think I'll do, oh no, I'll do this month. At the top, and then I'll do finance, on the next one, and then goals will be my bottom one. That down here. And then I think we'll do remember. On this third one. Okay. What else? What else? What else? I have a doctor's appointment on the 17th. So I think I'm going to put an appointment sticker, and I think I'll use the light green. And I'm pretty sure there was a doctor's thing, but then I'm also going to put another box above it just in case, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to take off the whole day of work and go get my license plates for my new car. So I'm going to put a box there just in case that's what I do, because I'm going to have to be late to work for my doctor's appointment anyways. So it'd be easier just to do it that day. Okay, so we have 4 bill due stickers that I'm going to use and strategically place their colors. And I'm going to use them for my main bills that come out automatically at other times in the month. So this one is my car insurance. The 28th, let's see. This one is my phone bill and my Amazon Prime. They are the same bill. And then the 11th is, let's see. The 17th is Simply Gilded. And the 11th is Glam Planner. Okay. I don't think I have any other appointments right now. Let's put some icons in. So 11th is Glam Planner. Oh, I can put an icon for my aunt's birthday. I guess it kind of already has it. Maybe I'll put this here. The 15th is for my car. So there's a teal car and a pink car. I think I'll do the pink car. And then my phone here. So I have a green phone. Is that the only phone? do a green phone here. Yeah. So I have this really pretty flag also. I want to put my countdown on. So this would be 1 day until my birthday. Two days until my birthday. Hopefully I won't regret layering these down lower. 3 days, 4 days, and 5 days. Until my birthday, and then like I said, the rest of these will go on my March spread, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. So I have Easter. I don't know if I'll do Earth Day or not. I'm going to white out this little moon because I'm not a big fan of those. I covered that one and I covered this one. So I still need washi here. I'm going to go off camera, figure out what I want for washi there, and then I will put the numbers, all of these numbers on, and then I will see if I need to put anything else down, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I put the numbers on, and then I put some Simply Gilded washi down here. So I have the Standard Essential green with gold foil, a pink with gold foil, and then the white with pink foil on it to fill in that space because I used the other full box up here for my mom's birthday, which is fine. And I think I have everything marked that I need to, so I'm going to stop here. I have a whole lot of icons, and then I have the payday flags, appointments, and then I have a really pretty flag here, the vacation strips, which I don't think I'll need, and then headers and a lot more boxes, which is awesome. But I think, like I said, I'm going to stop there. If I happen to think of anything else, I will throw it in the end of this clip and let you know what else is going on for this month. But as of right now, I think this is it. My boss and I might be going to a scrapbooking event this day, but I don't know for sure, so I'm not going to put it in yet, because that would also be the day I would normally get together with one of my friends. So I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so either it's going to stop here, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the spread. Again, this is from the Lockhart Co., but it was a mystery box from a while ago, so I don't know if you can still get it. But yeah, otherwise I will talk to you guys in my next video, and stay tuned for this clip art for my birthday week as well. That's when I'll be using the weekly kit that goes with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let me know what you guys have going on for the month of April. Have a good one. Bye!